Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel First Clip How to Guide. Today's video is all about how to save over 10,000 contacts on your contact list. So the first step is to enter your Google Play Store and download the Google Contact. So you go to your Play Store and download the Google Contact. So if you don't have it, you can also download it on the App Store. So you click the Play Store. So step 1 is to open the Play Store and download the Google Contact on your phone. You download the Google Contact on your phone. You click on Play Store app. Click your Play Store app. So you search for Google Contact. Search for Google Contact. So I'm searching for Google Contact in my Play Store right now. So here, this is what it looks like, the Google Contact. So as you can see, I haven't updated mine yet. So mine need an update. So you can just download it on Google Play Store, and you can also get it on the App Store, whichever one you prefer. So after downloading the Google Play Store, you just open the app. You open the Google Play Store app. Open the Google Play Store app. Open the Google Play Store app is open. So once you open the Google Play Store app, it will automatically all your email account will be registered inside directly. All your email in your Gmail will automatically appear. So Google Contact, as you can see from here now, all my accounts, all the contacts on this my email. Look on my email here. These are all my emails. So once you just logged in, or you just open the Google Contact, all your email that is connected to your Gmail app will just automatically open here. So you just choose whatever account you want to use to save the contact. So all my accounts, all my contact here right now is 1008 contacts. So with the Google email, you can save over 10,000 contacts on your phone. So you can save over 10,000 contacts on your phone with the Google Contact